What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be our background for today. I'm just gonna do a real quick, not even a close-up. I'm just, you know. I didn't do my nails for my birthday. It's not like I was turning like a special number or anything, so I really didn't care. That's bad. I had other stuff going on. And my nails, I did not want to mess them up. I just stayed off. I honestly couldn't find my remover, and that big bottle is kind of new, even though I used it. When did I soak up? March? Oh my god, it's not new. March? It's the end of August. September 1st. I'll probably do like 5 coats of this because I like when they're really pink. Actually really like it. It dries fast. It's not going to give you pink the first layer. That's why I probably do like 5. One time I just went like overly obsessed. I probably did like 7 coats, I'm not even gonna lie. And there's the water is gonna be wavy. It's fun watching the ducks after all the boats go by. It's 3 o'clock right now, so everybody's getting out of school and stuff, and they've work started their weekend. I think at like 1 o'clock is when it kind of started. Maybe like an hour ago. Yeah, 12:30 people were out enjoying the lake before everyone else does. You can't really see, but it's just like I love these clean nails. When it's discolored, there's nothing that I could do because I'm just using the same like cleaning product and really not caring. But like when I remove the nail polish, it's like the nail polish absorbs the chemicals of the cleaner or whatever I'm doing. Or helping my grandparents and my mom with their little craft stuff. Yeah, this is probably like a 3rd coat already. You see, like it's really pink. Can you even see? That's weird. There's the light. The light is this. And that's what I want my background to be. I did my toes, but if I cut some stuff out, I just want to let you know. Right now in my head, I have Cruel Summer by Taylor Swift. I'm a total Swiftie now. Before I liked her, you know, but in the beginning, when she first came out, oh my god, she was like oh my gosh, she's awesome. You can actually, it's really pink, you guys. I'm gonna show you in the light the collection of pink in the ends. I mean, in the edges of my nail. I'm doing it pretty quick. I don't know what coat this is. That's what's playing in my head. That's all I'm saying. I'm not talking. Oh, that's what I'm singing. Oh my God. Speedster. Oh, that's scary. I don't know if I could go on that. I mean, I guess it's not a freaking ocean. But still, you gotta watch out for people swimming. Okay. I'm done. Where's the cat? My cabinet. Box. Box. I painted my toes outside on the dock. So I may or may not post it because it was really far and I didn't have a tripod. Y'all were on a lake rock with some sticks holding the phone. I wasn't really talking, and if I was, I don't know if you could hear me, but you definitely can't see me painting anything. I don't know if you could even see me painting now. I just wanted you to absorb this greatness. Alright, let's go see what it looks like in the sun. See, it gets really, really pink, you guys. I'm just gonna do that on all of my nails. I left it like this because I wanted to show you how pink it does get, okay? Someone's done a swatch. They only did like 1 or 2. And, I mean, you're not gonna really get something. It's pretty, you know, it's clear as day. But if you do a decent amount of layers, you get like this beautiful pink color. Yep. This is my Labor Day weekend nails. Thanks for watching. Bye.